Chapter 8 is about persistence. We're diving deep into the heart-pounding realm of relentless effort, the force that transforms dreams into reality. Brace yourself, because this is where desire meets unbreakable willpower, forging an unyielding spirit that defies all odds. Imagine a world where your dreams are not just wishes but powerful convictions that fuel your every step. That's the magic of persistence, where the fire of your desires meets willpower. It's not just about chasing goals, it's about relentlessly pursuing them, even in the face of adversity. From climbing mountains to achieving the impossible, persistence is the secret ingredient that turns mere mortals into legends. If you're ready to infuse your journey with passion, conviction, and an unshakable resolve, join us as we unravel the dynamic force of persistence. Get ready to seize the reins of your destiny and forge a path that leads to triumph. Let's immerse ourselves in real-life moments that capture the essence of persistence. Example 1. Imagine having a desire that's so fierce, it burns brighter than the sun. Now, imagine fusing it with a willpower that's like a raging storm. That combo? It's an unstoppable powerhouse that won't settle for anything less than success. 2. Picture this, failures as stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. Those who embrace persistence understand that each setback carries a golden opportunity. They dance through failures, knowing that every fall leads them closer to victory. 3. For the persistent souls, giving up is not in their vocabulary. They don't see failures as a full stop, it's just a comma in their journey. With every setback, they're crafting their own success story, one chapter at a time. 4. Imagine having crystal-clear plans etched in your mind. For the persistent ones, vagueness is not an option. Their plans are precise, guiding their actions like a roadmap to triumph. 5. Now, let's talk about facing critics and naysayers. The persistent warriors have a shield of self-belief, deflecting negativity with ease. The fear of criticism doesn't hold them hostage, it's just a breeze in the journey towards their dreams. If you're connecting with this message, let your emotions flow by smashing that like button, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and subscribing for more empowering content. We're here to ignite your passion and keep that fire burning. So, here's the heart-pounding truth. Persistence is the symphony that turns desires into destiny. It's about nurturing that burning flame within, holding on tight when storms hit, and chasing dreams like a fearless warrior. With a rock-solid purpose, unwavering plans, and a crew of like-minded spirits by your side, you'll carve your own path towards greatness. Let persistence be your anthem, and let it guide you towards controlling the reins of your economic destiny. It's your time to shine. For faster results, check the playlist to listen to the next chapters. We wish you a powerful day. Subscribe for more.